Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Here we are giving 1 to the power x equals 3, but we have to wonder why this equation is like this. 1 to the power x equals 3, is it truly solvable? Yeah, we need to find the value of x. When we are given a kind of problem like this, the first thing we are going to do is we try to introduce logarithm to both sides. Suppose we introduce ln of 1 to the power x equals ln of 3. When we apply the rule of logarithm, we try to take x down. Then we have ln of 1 equals ln 3. So then, by dividing both sides by ln 1, we get the value of x as x equals ln of 3 divided by ln of 1. But this is not a solution because ln 1 equals 0 and ln 3 divided by 0, it is undefined. It means that there is no real solution. And the other solution we can get here are complex solutions. So how can we get that? So we have to start this because we are coming back to get the value of this for this equation to be complex. So let's try to recall from the Moivre's theorem, which says that anytime we have exponential of I theta, so this is the same thing as cos of theta divided plus I sine theta. So this is what we are going to use to get the complex solution that satisfies this. Assuming that we let the value of theta equals 0. If we try to plug it in this, what we get is exponential of I into bracket of 0 equals cos of 0 plus I sine 0. So we know that this exponential of I into bracket of 0, that gives us 1 already. So I'm going to leave it as exponential of I into bracket of 0 equals, when we plot cos 0, that is 1. Then the whole of this also becomes 0. So if this is what we get, and it is not, it doesn't stop here, because this is also true for when the value of theta equals to 2 pi. It's also true for when the value of theta equals to 4 pi, and it continues like that. So we can now generalize it because this is 1. So it is always true that whenever we have 1, 1 is the same thing as exponential of I into bracket of 2 pi k. This is what we have for this. Anytime we have the k, we must know that the k here is a member of an integer. So for us to have this, then we're now going to replace this from where we have ln 1, since we have gotten the value of 1, as we call it exponential I into bracket of 2 pi k, as k is a member of integer. So therefore we have x equals ln of 3 divided by, so instead of 1, we try to replace it with exponential of I into bracket of 2 pi k. This is what we have for this. And when we expand this, the exponential and ln, they are inverse to each other. They cancelled. And when they cancelled, we get the value of x equals ln of 3 divided by I multiplied by 2 pi k. So here is the result. But I don't want to have I at the denominator, which means that I'm going to multiply through by I. So when I multiply through by I, just like you find the conjugate of it, so we have x equals minus I ln 3 divided by 2 pi k. But we have to wait here. Since we have the value of k here and it is at the denominator, we must note that the value of k here equals to 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. That is, k is never equals to 0 here for us to have this. So this is the solutions for the value of x that satisfy this. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.